coming tonight. My name is Christy, I'm from Exhibit Photography. I started speaking out, just started saying the words, I want to do an exhibition, just saying to my friends, I want to do an exhibition. And I sort of had no idea of what I wanted to do. And I was photographing different people and trying different things, and I was trying to piece it together, but it wasn't really working. And I had no clarity of what it was that I had to do. And then I saw gorgeous Rebecca Leo. I saw her at school, and anyone that knows Beck, she just oozes this cool kind of charisma. She's just got her own style, she's got her own vibe, and I thought I want to photograph this lady, and I did. And after I photographed Beck, I called that photo Birds of a Feather, and when I looked at that photo, I keep talking about it, but it was just such a moment of clarity. It was like God planted that seed in my heart, and that vision became very clear to me of what I had to do, and I knew that I just wanted to put together Beck with other women. And really that is what tonight is all about. It's just about all of us women getting together and empowering and supporting each other. How amazing we are. We're such a beautiful entity, force when we come together, and hopefully you see that tonight in all of the portraits of everybody that has been photographed, because that's what I really wanted to capture and express and share with everybody. So to everybody that I've photographed in tonight in the exhibition, my gorgeous daughter Savannah, I just want to say that it's really all about these beautiful women. They are a representation of all of us, because we are all the same. We all deep down have the same desire to love and share love. And so thank you to each and every person. Can we give a round of applause to all the stars that are in tonight's show? Thank you.